Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to master number problems, specifically focusing on sum and difference applications. By the end of this video, you will be able to translate word sentences into math equations to find unknown numbers. So, what exactly are number problems? Think of them as mysteries. We are acting as detectives looking for unknown numbers. Usually, the problem gives us two main clues: the sum, which is the total when the numbers are added, and the difference, which is the result when one is subtracted from the other. The most important skill here is translation. You need to spot the keywords. For sum, look for words like add, total, plus, increased by, or together. For difference, look for subtract, minus, less than, decreased by, or the gap between two numbers. Let's visualize this. If we have a larger number x and a smaller number y, the sum is the total length of both combined. The difference is the gap between them, or how much longer x is than y. Seeing this helps us understand why we write the equations the way we do. Step 1 is always defining your variables. Don't just start writing numbers. Explicitly state, let x equal the larger number and let y equal the smaller number. You can also use L and S, but x and y are standard. This keeps your work organized. We will use a simple 4-step strategy for every problem. 1. Define your variables. 2. Translate the English sentences into math equations. 3. Solve the equations. And 4. Check your answer to see if it makes sense. Let's look at a classic example. The sum of two numbers is 20. Their difference is 4. We translate the first sentence to x plus y equals 20. We translate the second sentence to x minus y equals 4. Now we have a system of equations. To solve this, we can simply add the two equations together. X plus x gives us 2x. The positive y and negative y cancel each other out. 20 plus 4 is 24. Dividing by 2, we find that x is 12. Putting 12 back into the first equation, 12 plus what is 20? Y must be 8. Now let's try a real-world scenario. A school has 500 students. There are 50 more girls than boys. Let G be girls and B be boys. The total is 500, so G plus B is 500. There are 50 more girls, which means the difference between girls and boys is 50. So G minus B equals 50. Just like before, we add the equations. G plus G is 2G. The B's cancel out. 500 plus 50 is 550. Divide by 2, and we get 275 girls. Subtract that from the total of 500, and we find there are 225 boys. To wrap up, remember these 3 keys. Define your variables clearly. Identify the sum and difference keywords in the text. And finally, solve by adding the two equations to eliminate one variable. With practice, you will solve these in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.